Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Jasper AI account. For that you need to go and open your browser, or you can open their app too if you have got, and then you need to find this app.jasper.ai and that is their official website, and tap on sign up button that will be in this area, and you will get to their sign in page. There you have to enter your email address, and after that tap on continue with email button, and they will send you a code on your email. Just go check it out, and you just need to enter that code and tap on continue button, and that is how you can easily recover your Jasper AI account. And if you don't have access to your if you don't remember your Gmail account, you just need to go and open any of your Google apps and tap on your profile icon that will be on your top right corner, and tap on manage your Google account, and there you need to tap on Google password and tap on this, and it will verify that it's really you, and after that you will get to reset your account. And after resetting you can do that procedure to recover your account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section.